Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I am taking the class of Shastri first. Yesterday we have learned about changing of assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. Now today we learn interrogative to assertive. Just am I a student? Am is auxiliary verb. In interrogative sentence, a sentence is started with auxiliary verb and after that there is the subject. So that is why subject comes earlier I and am. If this sentence has not this sentence has, अगर assertive में not interrogative में not ना हो तो assertive sentence में not का प्रयोग करेंगे. यहाँ not, am I not a student? You are playing cricket. Are you playing cricket? You are not playing cricket. Is he not a student? Is he? He is. Here is the use of not. यहाँ not का प्रयोग है. not का प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे. There will be no use of not. Is he a student? Will he not sing a song? He will not is erased from there. He will sing a song. Next, do you write a letter? Here is the auxiliary verb do because here is the main verb. So do you write a letter? So here will be you because we apply not. That is why do is here. We do not write a letter. Does he play cricket? So then here will be he does not play cricket. Does he not eat a mango? So then here will be he. Not is erased there. That is why does is also erased there. There will be it and that as come here. यहाँ से नोट हटेगा तो डज भी हट जाएगा और यहाँ ही और इट आएगा इसके साथ डज के साथ यह एस है तो यह एस यहाँ जुड़ जाएगा. He eats a mango. Do you not write English? Then here will be you. Not is not apply there. Do is also not comes. Not यहाँ नहीं apply होगा नहीं आएगा तो do भी नहीं आएगा. तो you write. Why? Because there is no s. यहाँ s नहीं है तो you write English. Next will be did you right well. Here will be you, and then there will be did not. Why did? Because not comes. You did not write well. Did I not sing loudly, loudly? So here will be I, not is erased there, and did is also erased there. यहाँ से not हटेगा, did भी हटेगा. यहाँ sing because it is in the past. ये past में है, V2 form में है, sing का हो जाएगा sang. I sang loudly. Did he not come on time? Then there will be he. नोट भी हटेगा तो डिड भी हटेगा तो कम का क्या हो जाएगा? केम. ही केम ऑन टाइम. He came on time. Next is does anything as succeed? Does anything succeed like success as you see as? So here will be anything does not. When not comes, not is changed. जब ये नोट आएगा तो नोट ये एनीथिंग को चेंज हो जाएगा नथिंग. Then it will be